Dude, we're in Georgetown, California, getting ready to start Jeepers Jamboree.
This guy's the best right here.
Jeepers Jamboree.
We are at the entrance of the Rubicon Trail.
What happened over here?
We broke an upper control arm link because my brother drives like a jackass and he rams everything really hard. He's a little hyperactive.
Smaller, 6 foot.
That's perfect, yeah. Oh, nice job. Right on. Cool, thank you. But you guys have fun up there. It should be beautiful.
At a really weird angle.
How does it feel when you're in there?
Not great, that's for sure. You're using your slider to pivot quite a bit. So.
That's the technique?
Yeah. Man, the school bus gladiators here, it's always an extra challenge. So. There you go. Hard pass.
I'm ready to set up tent, dude. Set up shop. Start slaying.
Right there, that's where we camped last time for sure. 'Cause remember we went along those brushes?
Down here?
Yes, sir.
How you feeling, Ricky?
Tired, hungry, but this is what we signed up for. That was 6 hours. 6 hours. Start to Buck Island. Grab something to eat and then call it a night, and we'll wake up early in the morning and hit it again.
Here, I made it. Me, Eric, Josh, Ricky from G-Force, Roy, his customer. We're here at Buck Island. About to get butt. See that, dude? Oh. Well, I think we got through most of the heavy stuff. My biggest concern is gas. I got that premium pork, 100% premium Johnsonville. Kind of wet. Can I wipe it? Leave it as is? 20 bucks?
Wow, what is that? On the floor?
Yeah, 20 bucks. What do you think, Eric?
Bro, that's
Here, give me a water. Give me a water, Eric. Give me a water, Eric.
Here, you got mine.
No, I want a fresh one. Today we just packed up our camp. It's about 8:11, so we should be meeting up with Tony here in a little bit. I think he said probably 9, I'm hoping. And then we're gonna trek the rest of the way to the Rubicon Springs.